Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Harley LED tail light is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Harley motorcycle owners, offering a blend of enhanced safety, striking aesthetics, and a significant improvement over traditional incandescent bulbs. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you decide if upgrading your Harley's tail light to an LED system is the right choice for you, covering everything from brightness and visibility to installation ease and overall value. Number 5. NTHREEAUTO Smoked LED Tail Lights. Give your Harley-Davidson a dramatic upgrade with these sleek, smoked LED tail lights. They'll instantly enhance your motorcycle's style and visibility. These tail lights boast a smooth, double-coated surface and are made from durable ABS plastic. They're built to withstand minor impacts and look great for years to come. With increased rear visibility, these lights help keep you safer on the road. Other drivers will easily notice you, day or night. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old taillights, insert the adapter, and screw in the new ones. The included manual makes it even easier. Your package includes one set of Harley LED taillights and a user manual to guide you through the simple installation process. These taillights are compatible with a wide range of Harley-Davidson models, from 2002 to 2017. Check the product description for a complete list of compatible models. What we like. It has a classic black design that makes your motorcycle tail lamp more dazzling. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. If you value a simple installation process and a timeless look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The fit is extremely nice. The installation is amazingly easy. Very bright and sealed up. Excellent upgrade from dull factory Harley dim OEM tail lights. Gotta be bright to be seen on a motorcycle on today's roads. This tail lights helps. Much better than standard light fitting, and much brighter and makes it easier for other motorists to see when braking both day and night time. Number 4. Movotor Harley LED Tail Light. This all-in-one tail light offers running, brake, and turn signal functions in a sleek, low-profile design. It's engineered to enhance visibility and safety on the road. It features integrated brake and turn signals, plus a dedicated license plate light. Enjoy a brighter, more comprehensive lighting system for increased safety. Its low-profile design is angled to perfectly complement your rear fender, creating a custom, streamlined look. It seamlessly integrates with your Harley's style. Built with rugged ABS plastic and a sealed, waterproof IP67 housing, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. It's ready for anything the road throws at it. Featuring an upgraded plug-and-play design for easy installation, it's a simple upgrade. The high-intensity LEDs are significantly brighter than stock lights, ensuring you're seen. It's compatible with a wide range of Harley-Davidson models. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This offers all-in-one functions, including running lights, brake lights, and turn signals. Its waterproof design ensures reliable performance in any weather. If you need a convenient, all-in-one solution that's built to last, this is for you. What people say. It is well sealed, feels heavy and durable. Fits perfect, looks great, and can be installed in under 10 minutes start to finish. Installed on 2001 FXTXT. Works as described. Plug and play, installation took less than 5 minutes. It's light, low profile and slick, and bright. Like many others said in the reviews, it's plug and play and very easy to install. Number 3. Eagle Lights Harley LED Tail Light. Introducing the Eagle Lights LED Tail Light for Harley-Davidson. Its strobe function makes you 3 times more visible to other drivers, significantly improving your safety on the road. This light is designed for a quick and easy installation. It plugs directly into your bike's existing wiring harness, no extra parts or resistors are needed. It's a direct replacement for your Harley's stock tail light, fitting many models from 1999 to 2021. Simply swap it in and enjoy the upgrade. With bright LEDs and a durable design, it ensures maximum visibility day and night. The high-intensity bulbs and robust construction will light up the road ahead. We stand behind our product. It comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind and protection against any defects. What we like. It features a strobing brake light for enhanced visibility and safety. Installation is quick and easy. If you prioritize safety and want to be seen from a greater distance, this is the ideal upgrade for you. What people say. Easy to install and cleans the back of the bike. Looks great and very functional. Good light, very bright, fit was perfect, has a great seal, good quality. Very bright and stand out for a greater distance, the strobe effect really help people see your braking. Number 2. Harley LED Light Kit. This kit dramatically improves your motorcycle's visibility. Its unique design offers multiple functions in one sleek package. It features 28 amber LEDs for the center and 72 red LEDs surround them for dynamic turn signals. Experience ultra-bright lighting and eye-catching patterns. This versatile kit serves as driving lights, reverse lights, brake lights, turn signals, and parking lights. It provides maximum coverage in any condition. With its durable construction and IP68 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand harsh weather. Enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Unlike other flexible strips, it's rigid and mounts easily with screws. Installation is quick and straightforward. It's designed to fit various motorcycles and vehicles, including Harley-Davidson models. Enhance both the style and safety of your ride. What we like. This boasts a dual rear fender light strip with multiple functions and dynamic turn signals. It's completely waterproof and easy to install. If you want maximum visibility and a stylish look, this is a great option. What people say. Great look on the bike. Couldn't be more impressed for the price, used for a customer's bike and look so good I ordered some for my own. Love these. They look better than I expected, weeks they get compliments. Number 1. True Mods 2 Harley LED Light. It features an eye-catching red brake light, surrounded by a piercing red halo running light and a custom blacked-out backing plate. These lights add a bold, aggressive look to your ride. They fit any standard 2-bullet style Harley brake light with an 1157 dual contact socket, but offer a modern upgrade to your classic style. With 48 LEDs in each light and light concentrating lenses, they're designed to make a statement. Prepare to turn heads wherever you go. Installation is quick and easy. Simply unplug your old bulb, plug in these LED lights, and hit the road. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade. Built with a durable, solid aluminum body and protective lenses, these lights are tough and built to last. They're a powerful and reliable upgrade. What we like. It features an aggressive, eye-catching design with a halo running light. It's incredibly easy to install. If you want to upgrade your bike's look with a bold and bright light, this is perfect for you. What people say. Nice bright. I have a 2021 Road Glide and they fit in the stock turn signals good. These lights are great. Easy to install and work nice and bright. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.